Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. I'm so grateful and happy to announce that we have 49 subscribers. Welcome to the makeup family. I am grateful and thankful for you guys that you joined our community where I'm the 50th one and we're gonna flex a lot on this channel. And today I want to devote to something provocative, my favorite magazine and at the same time YouTube channel. This is Vogue. I've been planning this for such a long period of time, and you know what I'm gonna tell you is that Vogue covers a lot of different topics that I believe are important. That's from fashion to makeup routine and skin routine at the same time. And I believe that Vogue dictates how to be just in fashion, to be in trends. I'm gonna be watching Chamberlain and she's gonna break down her favorite techniques. Let's jump right into this video. Let me see, what is the first step?
Hydrating face mask. I do this probably 3 times a week, 4 times a week. I'm honestly kind of somebody who just follows my instinct. If I feel like my skin is dry, I'll do a hydrating skin mask. If I feel like my skin is gross, I'll do some sort of detoxifying skin mask.
Okay, first step, I kind of get it. It's like face mask, but it's a little bit weird. I haven't seen rinsing her face with some warm water or cleanser, whatever. So she's kind of like applying this mask without any preparation, which is a little bit weird. But okay, let's just follow her technique. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes, then take it off with some warm water, and I'll be right back. Okay, next step. I kind of did the same thing with the towel. I patted my skin, I didn't wrap anything, so let's carry on.
But moving on, first we have this serum.
So, she applied her first serum. Let's have another look because she's got lots of serums.
Then I use a tea tree relief. Next, I'm using a niacinamide serum. This is literally my favorite product. This makes me look like a baby's butt on my face. It's a hemp oil. Last step of my skincare routine.
Okay, so she's got like 2 serums and some tea tree oil serum, whatever. Lots of serums, lots of oils. In my opinion, your skin is gonna be really greasy. So I'm just gonna do some toner. Like my next step, we're gonna apply coconut oil a little bit on my face. We're gonna finally witness her makeup routine. I love makeup routine.
This is a tinted face oil, life-changing. I like, it basically acts as like a super light foundation-ish type of thing. Literally like lightly rub it in.
She's got foundation that is kind of oily. I haven't seen her using any primer. I know Nikki tutorials would have said not to prime is a crime, but I can't judge people for not using primer because sometimes I just kind of keep forgetting about primer. But this time, I guess I'm gonna use some primer because I have lots of oil on my face. This is gonna be Essence primer, nothing extra, nothing bougie. Though this primer isn't sticky, I guess it's gonna work out well. I guess the best option for me right now, liquidy and really translucent kind of foundation, is from BH Cosmetics, Naturally Flawless Ivory 201. Okay, let's do it the same way she did. I'm not sure. God, so weird using my bare hands. Oh my god, so weird. Okay, this is kind of nice. You know, I have this glowy effect that she's been talking about.
Concealer. I like to put this in with my fingers.
Okay, doing a natural where you use your finger. I don't really have this concealer that she's using here, but I have my favorite concealer. She's applying a little bit like here. Again, let's use our fingers. So she's not applying any concealer on her forehead or chin, anywhere else. We're just like doing this on her eyes.
I think setting under eyes, forehead, forehead and chin is the most important, I've found. And
again, don't know her powder, don't have her powder. I'll be using Catrice Nude Illusion powder. White.
we're bronzing now.
I just got a really soft bronzer. I'll be using Wet n Wild.
Highlighter. The thing I've learned is less is more.
I didn't see her doing her nose contour, but at the same time, I kind of see her nose is contoured. So we're gonna apply a little bit on my nose from both sides. Okay, she's got really interesting thing about highlighter. She applied on her eyelids, which is a little bit weird in my opinion. Genuinely, I guess highlighter goes like here and probably above your brow. Wet n Wild highlighter. There's the part that I honestly don't get. I don't really understand this part. No primer on the lids. This is, girl, this is a mistake. This is literally a mistake. I've been there. I literally have been there and it doesn't work. It starts creasing badly with any kind of eyeshadows, especially when you use so many different products like serums and oils.
Eyeshadow.
BH Studio Pro Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. This palette is actually really close to what she was using. No primer. I literally feel like they're oily. Oh my god, I can't do this without a primer, so I'm gonna use my NYX primer because it's, in my opinion, it's important. Let's grab this warm brown color.
Sometimes I'll add in like a little bit of a color like this. Take a little bit of this. And I just kind of lightly tap it.
I'm gonna do a little bit more brownish shade in the corner, like so, like this one. Highlighter.
Take a brow gel. Then I take a little bit of tinted brow gel.
Definitely, I cannot leave my brows this way. I mean, it's kind of nice for someone to have bushy brows, but I kind of don't really have bushy brows. So I'm gonna kind of, you know, outline my shape, and I don't really want to do anything crazy. Fill in, and then I'm gonna use the same technique that she showed in her video. Some gel and some brow mascara.
Product on my lip.
Okay.
And then I take this plumping lip cream.
I probably should apply some lip gloss.
I think that I could use some blush. Oh my god, it's eyelash curler.
I don't really have a lash curler, but I have a blush. Like that. So soft. So soft. God. Okay, we're gonna do mascara first. But the weirdest part is that she wiped off her gloss, lip gloss, outlined her lips, and then applied her gloss again. Like, why? Why would you do that? Let's wipe off my lips. I don't know why. And outline them. Okay. It's really nice. I mean, it's really soft.
Dry shampoo.
Hair. This is the part that I'm gonna cut off immediately. I kind of read somewhere that dry shampoo is really, it's not dangerous, but it's not healthy for your hair. I'm not gonna repeat this routine. I'm not gonna repeat the steps. Okay guys, this is the final and complete result. I don't know why she skipped setting spray. I really like this routine. I really like it. It's so soft. It's so natural. Kind of changed a little bit her routine, but that's it guys. If you like this video, then please let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Till my next video that's gonna be uploaded hopefully really soon, and bye bye.